3/23/2014, and it's 1 p.m. We were supposed to be going like 2 hours ago. But this is the motorcycle I'm gonna buy. This is gonna be my first motorcycle. Hopefully I get to buy it. But, you know, I'm trying not to get too excited, because shit happens. But I've made a checklist of everything I need, or everything I need to check. I went online and downloaded a printable of a motorcycle checklist. I also wrote one down. And I watched some videos online. YouTube videos on how to buy a motorcycle and everything that you need to know. And here's my printable checklist, and I'm going to go to Office Max and print something out. See, this pretty much lets you everything you should look for on a motorcycle. Condition, air pressure, and things like that. These are all things that you'll be able to negotiate the price down if they don't meet quality specs. And then I went and did research on the bikes that I wanted. Like, here's the same bike. It's on some weird bike site. But yeah, there's another one I was looking at. Oh, I think he's here. There we go. We're at McDonald's. I don't know where we are. We're not too far from my house.
We're kind of far from you.
I don't know where we are. Oh, we're in Fort Myers.
North Fort Myers.
Hello,
young lady. How are you?
Hey, how are you?
It's delightful.
Yeah. We're in Lakeland. And we're here to buy the bike. I have my checklist. My handy dandy checklist of random stuff. And a clipboard to make it official. I've so far spent this much on the bike. So, we're gonna go do this. We're gonna go stretch out first.
Where are we? I'm gonna take a piss.
Just got the bike, and turning it on for the first time. If I know, I have to figure out how to do it. Correct? Oh, and then I press one. Which one do I press? First, that's the choke. Okay. And then, this one. Hold the clutch first. Okay. Now press it. This one? Mm-hmm. Or this one? No, that needs to be down. Oh, on the one button? Mm-hmm. Alright, squeeze the clutch a little better. We just got the bike before we drive it back to Naples, which is 2 hours away. We're doing an oil change because it's going to be a long drive. So we wanted to make sure everything is running right. Something that we didn't see, though, before when we were getting the bike is that there's gas leaking all over the carbs. So we'll see what happens. Right now, Glid's changing the oil. He just changed the filter. Alright, so buying a bike for the first time. If you don't know how to ride a bike, I would get someone that does. And my friend up here, he's riding the bike back to our house. And I hope it's not raining, because I hear splatters against the window. I'm not too sure if it's rain or bugs, but I think it might be raining. Oh, he's gonna love this. 3/23/2014, and we're walking out to my new motorcycle. And you can't see it, but here's my new Suzuki Katana 700. And as you can tell, my Supra is very pissed off by that. So we're just peeling off all the shit off the previous owner's doing. Bike's pretty cool. Just needs to be polished up a little bit. That's pretty fucking awesome. Alright, no more of that. My first day, and it's absolutely raining, as you can see. But that's not going to stop us from learning. To learn how to go through the gears, we've taken the katana and we put it up on a 9 kickstand, and we're going to go through the gears. I have my instructor here to teach me. So, you're holding the clutch, right? You're at a stoplight. Motorcycle's in neutral right now. You have this lever here, because your foot's going to be right up here, right? And with the tip of your toes, this is how you control the gears. While you're holding the clutch, you shift gears. Alright, so... Now, right now it's in neutral. Okay. This thing has 6 gears. So, if you push down, that's first gear. Okay. Right? If you push down, while you're holding this, it goes into the first gear. Now,
Down? Yes. 2. 3, 4. Take 5. You're letting go of the clutch too fast. Take 6. Take 7. You're giving it too much gas. You're fine. Take 9. Slow, slow, slow.
Okay. Those are terrible shoes. So are these, but I ride with them anyway. That would get a lot of criticism in YouTube videos. How you guys are idiots driving with those shoes! Look forward. Second.
Well, that was awesome. Yeah!